people in this community are amazing, awesome, always willing to help.
I want to share knowledge. I want to help other people in getting places.
Knowledge is better to be shared.
You need love for the community, and the thing that you get out of it is love from the community.
The stars in people's eyes when they see that the things they're doing are helping others.
For us to help people and really give this knowledge and share it and pay it forward. I'm just giddy and excited I can help somebody.
Every time you get helped, you're motivated to help someone else.
It's been helpful to know that you have that voice out there, that you have somebody out there who's able to help you.
I want to learn more. And I noticed that the more I teach people, the more I learn. I wanted to help others.
From a professional perspective, I've learned so much from everybody else. Yet at the same time, I feel like I've barely scratched the surface on what to offer.
I feel like very happy when I share my knowledge, and I cannot describe it in a word, but I feel happy when I put my effort into something that I can share what I have.
Whatever it is, I know that there's someone out there that can help me out and will drop everything to just, try and sort out something that I'm struggling with.
Powerful alone and yet incredibly better together.
If you see other people out there that look like you, that are doing something that you think you might not be able to do, then it kind of makes you think that you can also do it.
I give to the community through my vlogs or speaking in user groups, but at the same time, the users and the community gives back to me.
If you're not part of this community, what are you waiting for? Come join us.
I'm Cheryl Netley.
Shane Young.
Malin Martinez.
Major McFarlane.
Christine Kolodjski.
Paddy Byrne.
Rachel Rabo.
Louisa Fraser.
Dion Taylor.
Ross.